Hello everyone, this is Gary from JSD Robot, and today I'm here to introduce a new product of our company. It's called SATUO, and it has 6 main features, and I will show you one by one. The first one is the most amazing feature is it has the vacuuming and mopping function 2 in 1. So when you do the cleaning job, it will vacuum and mopping at the same time. And second is the 600 times per minute high frequency vibration mop. It will save about 50% cleaning time. And the third one is the bionic design of scavenger fish mouth, and it will do the dry and wet mop double time. And the fourth one is the unique cleaning mode. It has super strong suction power and no hair attached. The fifth one is the new nano-level water control system. It can make the floor dry right after you mop it. And the sixth one is the humanized self-weight design. It's easy to operate within one hand. Please feel free to contact us for more information. Thank you.